It goes up.
Are you deaf? It's going down. Charlie Puth stitched again.
It goes up. It's up 3 times.
But Whirlpool USA, the makers of the microwave, then they clarify that it is down.
Told you. It goes up.
Are you deaf? It's going down.
Listen to this video.
No.
No.
You're
Ready?
so wrong.
Wait.
It
About 7
goes
seconds.
down.
It goes up. I'll bet you 30 cents. 30 cents?
35.
Okay. Told you. It goes up.
Are you deaf? It's going down.
Listen to this video.
The entire microwave situation has been elevated to a whole nother level. Yes, Charlie Puth stitched again. He corrected himself. He said up. Here it is.
It goes up. It's up 3 times. First one is an octave.
He has perfect pitch. He says it goes up, but Whirlpool USA, the makers of the microwave, they asked for permission and then they put the TikTok on their story and then they clarify that it is down. This is Whirlpool USA. They're verified. It's the real company that makes the microwave. So how can Charlie Puth, who famously has perfect pitch, be wrong? He can't, right? But they made the microwave. They made it. It's theirs. It's no longer team up or down. It's team Whirlpool microwave versus Charlie literal Puth.
Four different words. No, 4 different words. One means horse, one means mother. I don't know which. I could just accidentally call someone's mom a horse. Hi. Hopefully this gets to the Chinese speakers of TikTok, because I've got a question for you. A little question. I've been studying Chinese for 8 years. Why the tones? Did we need to do that? Did we need to do that? I just want to understand why? Like, here, let me give an example. Okay, ready? Ma, okay, ma. 4 different words. That was 4 different words. One means horse, one means mother. I don't know which. I could just accidentally call someone's mom a horse. Did you have to make them that similar?